Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open the Amazon app or website and go to your orders to start. Locate the Airpods order using the order number and purchase date. Confirm the delivery date because most Amazon returns process within 30 days. Note Apple provides a 1-year limited warranty for manufacturing defects from the purchase date. Take screenshots of the order page and the Airpods serial number for verification. Keep the original packaging and accessories ready for a smooth replacement process. Select the Airpods order, tap Choose a Problem with your order, and request a replacement. Pick the replacement option and choose Amazon as the seller when that option appears. Provide a short description of the defect and attach photos of the damaged Airpods. Agree to the return shipping method and print or use the emailed shipping label for return. Keep the tracking number visible in your orders to monitor the replacement shipment. Expect confirmation email with the expected replacement delivery date after processing. If Amazon cannot process your replacement, contact the third-party seller through the order page. Message the seller with the order number, photos, and serial number to request a replacement. If the seller does not resolve the issue within several days, file an Amazon A to Z guarantee claim for purchase protection. Use Apple support for serial verification if the problem appears covered by the 1-year warranty. Keep all communications and tracking numbers to support any claim or refund request you submit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.